COMWAY CD8000 underground pipeline detector
is a professional detection device and accurate and identify.
To accurately locate and identify various, it emits a specific frequency electromagnetic signal to generate an induced current in the target line, and the receiver captures and analyzes the return signal to determine the direction and depth of the pipeline. The equipment consists of a transmitter,
Receiver, coupling clamp, straight line, double-headed crocodile clip, ground needle, and the charger of the device. And then let's explain the buttons of the transmitter first. Here you can see the power adjustment button, frequency adjustment button, power on, off button, test button, confirmation, key, and menu interface. Thank you. The buttons and screen of the device are integrated, and the output can be adjusted directly on the screen. First, let's demonstrate the direct connection method. Find the direct connection cable. On the engine side, open the interface. Align the buckle and insert it, then rotate to lock. See that on the cable. There are two clamps on the charging cable. Click it. We connect the red connector to the black wire core. Black clamp is connected to D pin. Find the far position and clamp it. We can see that. OP will automatically switch to the charging interface. At this time, we can select the frequency. Click output. The current and voltage values appear at this position, which is the normal output. Next, let's introduce the connection method of Ohm's law. We need transmitter, ohm clamp. First, we find the interface on the side of the transmitter and insert the interface. Align and insert the rotation card. Insert the transmitter in the direction of the arrow. The arrow direction is the same as the measurement direction on the green pad. Meanwhile, since we use armored cable as conductor, we need to connect the armor separately. First, then turn on the transmitter. The launch interface, before and after connecting, automatically switch to the coupling mode. At this time, we can click output. After clicking output, we can see the pliers making a sharp chirping sound. This is normal output. Now the instrument has started to output. Let's take a look at the specific measurement of the pipeline path. We come to the position of pipeline measurement. We can see that. See a white arrow on the screen indicating the position of the pipeline. We move to the left on the screen where the blue dot appears, which is directly above the pipe. The screen shows the output now. Output frequency depth, and the current value on the current line